Many companies spend a lot of time and energy on getting an overview of product and component deficiencies and capacity constraints, so they can set a delivery date for the customer. Precise delivery information is extremely important for all companies, and when the unexpected happens, for example, supplier failure, and vital components are not delivered or arrive late, what are the consequences? Item planning can provide accurate answers to these questions. Item planning consists of several sub-modules. First, we look at a product's expected profile based on expected availability and depletion, sales orders, purchase orders, production orders that are planned over time. Based on this, an expected availability of the item is calculated, and this can be displayed in various ways. The scheduler can simulate quantity and date changes and see the consequences immediately. If the planner discovers a defect in composite BOM product, it is important to be able to see when that product can be delivered. The task, therefore, is to determine any material restrictions, that is, when these are resolved and when production can complete the product. The example shows that critical components must be procured, and when this problem is solved, the product must be manufactured. The example shows that either we or the customers want the product on September 14th. We cannot do that. We must buy components, and the earliest date that we can have components in-house is October 7th. Then product must be made. Without overloading production, the earliest delivery we can offer is December 17th. Item planning also offers other highly effective overviews, shortage overviews for sales orders and production orders, critical items, etc. For example, we can check for material shortages for planned production startup this month. Item planning is essential to delivery of excellent customer service and accurate internal planning.